Hey everybody, it's Jamie from the Marine Doctors YouTube channel. Welcome to episode 2. If you missed episode 1, don't worry, check the description in the link below. Previously on Restoring Memories, we introduced you to our donor engine, the customer's boat, and our expert marine medics, Tej and Joey. We left you with a cliffhanger about the tilt and trim. Does it even work? In this episode, we'll answer that question and much more. Get ready for another exciting installment of Restoring Memories.
Are we going to mount this before the power head and the light up?
Oh, for sure, yeah. Because we got to make sure that that's square, so we lower the power head on straight. A lot less work that way.
Mine's disconnected. You don't see it.
Yeah, I know, but you can see the cam. Just keep in mind that we're not actually using back lock.
Yeah. Looks like some of the animated movies. You come into the on it and give her a nice little folder.
Yep. So get a 4x4 post and just hit the top of the crank. And then that power head hopefully just falls off of there.
Don't wear gloves. Proper pick.
Gloves this time. Oh, we got movement. Joey, you want to give me a hand there? Looks like he's dragging it across the floor here before he turns into a Tasmanian devil on it.
Oh, come on.
What's going on? Oh, the motor mounts. One on each side.
This one's flexible.
So do you have those motor mounts off as well? Motor mounts.
Right this very second?
No, take your time. Just yeah. Oh, here we go. It's falling off of there.
Oh, it's not.
It's falling off.
Wrong.
Oh, fuel line, fuel line. All right.
Just saying.
Yep. So I guess we're gonna clean that up. Yeah, make it look nice. And I'm gonna go see if I can track down the gasket we're gonna need. Hey, what? What do you got there?
Yeah, use this where you can't get your fingers.
Oh, there we go.
Struggle to get it out of the way.
Get on it.
There we go. And what was that for?
That was for the shifter rod.
The shifter.
If I take this outside, spray it
I think you could probably just spray that with our cleaner and then wipe it out. Oh, spray 9, marine spray 9, if that's still what's in this bottle. Well, I bought some orange stuff from one of our suppliers. They claim it's supposed to be really good, so if it smells like orange, yeah, orange degreaser. So if it smells like orange, it's that stuff. If it smells like spray 9, it's spray 9. This guy spent a lot of time alone.
Not like this.
Oh. We'll have to remember to edit that out.
Come on, this is the uncut channel.
That's right. Faster, faster, faster. Not shorter strokes, long, fast strokes. Oh, that's it.
Tighten it. Yeah,
Tighten it.
put it back in. Let's go.
Come on.
Oh, look at that. Brand new water pump on there already, because we did it the other day.
Oh, yeah.
Let's throw it up into the vise. Our only soft jaw vise that may have been made here.
Water on the bench. Set off for us. Okay. Yeah, Powerhead.
Powerhead? Thought the Powerhead was ready to go already.
Cool, sir.
Oh, okay. Ooh, look how well that tilt works.
Not very well.
So, I don't know if you guys are aware of this, but all of this work has to be done by Friday.
Oh, well. Thanks for letting us know.
Teach for Friday?
Pretty comfortable, I think.
It'll be done? Awesome.
Pretty tight.
Oh, is that one of those round bowls?
Seems like it.
Fast hands. Good, 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 good. So it looks like we've got some water intrusion that was happening here as well, and that's why we have this back cover off, so we'll be replacing those gaskets. Yeah, so we're going to take off this mount, and we're going to take off the clevis and all this other stuff that's here, and we're gonna go through, well, not that hole, but that hole on the new one.
Yeah.
And run it properly. So
We're using an actual rod instead of that system, right?
yeah. The days of using stuff like that are hopefully gone in the world. So that means that that cable is going to be running out closer to this point rather than out there. And then we'll probably end up having to clean that up. Lots of work. Lots of work. So, yep. Deserving family. We're helping these people out. Quite the battery. Did you guys see this battery? Some corrosion, some it's missing the tractor that's supposed to be around it. Ready for liftoff?
Oh, I'm good, man. Ready now.
Okay. So at the back here.
Got the same thing we did.
Oh, you left those on too?
Left those on too.
Left those on too. Remember back when I said, remember to take those off? And you said,
Yeah,
oh, do you want me to do that right now? You remember that, Joey?
I should have done it right there.
Yep, should have done it right there. 7/16?
16s, yeah.
Well,
How do you do?
it's that ratty old fuel line in the way. No flexibility anymore. Whoa, now it's flexible.
Yeah. Come on.
You have to push up on it.
I see what it is.
There we go.
Do a couple more things. Yeah.
Fuel line.
Who cares? Nobody.
Whoa, 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 whoa. That's a molded hose.
Oh, we need it?
Disconnected, yeah.
Oh. Didn't even damage.
Just like that. All right, that one's out of the way.
Yep.
We still gonna drill the broken bolts out of this one. So we'll do that on the bench, but that bad boy is ready to go on once we tilt it down. So we got to get our battery pack. Okay, battery pack, and tilt that bad boy down. So we're gonna go with the positive to hopefully the green one, but I can't tell it because it's all taped up. So if we go positive to green and the black lead to negative, the tilt should come down. Go ahead for me. All right, so the position that we're in, all the fluid is going to be away from the pump. So we have to stand this up first and then attempt to reactivate it and get the fluid. All right. Turn this on. I got it. All right, here we go. Okay, tilt is going down. Trim is going first.
Looks like it was
Okay,
going
you're
up.
gonna have to maybe push on there a bit. 'Cause
Was
we
that
don't
not
have
going
any-
up?
Yeah, the trim itself is going down first. There we go. More push. The trim around is going back in again. Yeah. So it's definitely gonna work better when it's on the boat. It's just that we don't have any weight on anything. All right, we're good. So what we've got left is we have to change up the steering. We have to drill the bolts out of the exhaust that have broken. We have to mount the engine back on and then reassemble everything, get it running, and we have to get all of this done by Friday, which is 2 days. This is a big project. I'm hoping that we get it done in time.